Good afternoon, everyone. Meteorologist Andrea Brooks here with your tropical update for Sunday, June 30th, 2024. And it's an abnormally busy time in the tropics at this time for the month of June. And we're going to start with our very rare Category 4 Hurricane Beryl. Hurricane Beryl currently has winds of 130 miles per hour with pressure of 960 millibars and is currently moving towards the west at 21 miles per hour. And this is a rarity for this time of year. And this is the first Category 4 hurricane that we've seen in the MDR region for the month of June. So it is quite a day to remember. And looking here on our current satellite and radar imagery here, we have a very symmetrical storm. It's continuing to ventilate and also intensify, and it will continue to intensify during the rest of the day today and into the next couple of days. And we do have some hurricane alerts to talk about for the Eastern Caribbean with hurricane warnings and also tropical storm watches in effect. And this goes in effect over the next couple days. And this is where hurricane and tropical storm conditions are possible to likely. So make sure that you are preparing for this. And this is going to be a storm to remember. And the threat meter for this storm is really high for these islands and even medium for the central Lesser Antilles. But once we get into our Haiti and Jamaica area, this is where we'll start seeing a medium threat because this storm will continue to move itself towards the west. And with the current model guidance, this area needs to watch the path for Beryl. Now, we do have another system to talk about, and we have 94L at this time, and hurricane hunters and current satellite-derived winds have indicated that this could become our next named storm, and that would be the name of Chris, or at least Tropical Depression 3. And this system is going to continue to build over the next 12 hours before it moves inland into Mexico on Monday. And there could be some tropical storm alerts in effect with this a system as we continue along here. So it's going to be quite a busy time for them, and locally heavy rainfall will be the main impacts along with mudslides. And the threat meter for this system will be high for places along that Bay Campeche corridor and a little bit lower as we get further north, where they could also see some heavy rainfall and mudslides. Now we have one more system, and we have 96L, which is behind Hurricane Beryl. And this system has a high chance of development over the next 7 days, and this could also impact portions of the Lesser Antilles. So we're going to be watching this very closely. So we're really seeing a very active start to the season, and there's a lot to talk about. So you guys have a good day and stay safe in these systems.